eggshells and coffee grounds for your garden. Saving your coffee grounds and eggshells is one important thing that will benefit your garden, flower beds, hanging baskets, and container plants this summer. A garden can benefit greatly from coffee grounds and eggshells, especially when it comes to naturally boosting plants and combating pests and disease. It just so happens that these two breakfast table byproducts are brimming with potent nutrients. Nutrients that aid in the growth of not only more productive, but also healthier plants. 1. Planting the garden. Begin planting transplants in the garden by filling each planting hole with a mixture of crushed eggshells and coffee grounds. As they decompose, crushed eggshells provide much-needed calcium and other trace elements to the soil. Calcium is critical for the health of tomatoes and peppers, particularly when it comes to the problem of blossom end rot. Blossom end rot is caused by a deficiency of calcium in the soil. Black dots appear on the ends of immature tomatoes, peppers, and even squash, cucumbers, and zucchini due to blossom end rot and can damage the fruit and ruin your crop. However, by using a few crushed eggshells in each planting hole, you assist in providing the calcium that plants require. Coffee grounds are high in nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and other essential elements. All of these elements are necessary for developing robust, healthy, and productive plants. Vital nitrogen and other nutrients are leached to the roots by the coffee grounds. And, when placed in the planting hole, coffee grounds work as a natural slow-release fertilizer for the plants. After planting, apply both eggshells and coffee grounds to the soil's surface as well. Crush a few additional shells and sprinkle them over the base of each plant after softly tamping them in. Similarly, add a couple teaspoons of coffee grounds on top as well. Both leach vital nutrients into the soil as they decompose, and they're also a terrific method to organically manage the slug population. The rough edges of broken shells and even coffee grounds, it turns out, are a significant deterrent to slug-sensitive skin. 2. Planting the flower beds. The eggshell and coffee grounds method can also be used to energize annual flowers too. You can employ the same planting strategy in all of your flower beds, and even use the same mix in your pots and containers. Adding a few teaspoons of coffee grounds every few weeks is highly beneficial to potted plants and hanging baskets. Simply sprinkle the coffee grounds on the soil's surface, and they'll seep in with each watering. 3. Energizing hanging baskets and container plants. After you've finished your gardening tasks, don't throw away those coffee grounds. This is because you can use them to give a boost to your containers and hanging baskets throughout the summer. A slow-release fertilizer may be made by sprinkling a few tablespoons of coffee grounds on your plants every few weeks. Those nutrients will leach down into the roots every time you water or it rains, giving your plants a much-needed boost. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.